subtract the rational expressions 7 over 6t squared minus 1 over 3t. In order to perform this subtraction, we need to determine a lowest common denominator. This 6 is a 2 times 3. Now our lowest common denominator is going to include every factor that we see in these denominators along with the largest exponent. So our lowest common denominator is going to have in it a factor of 2, a factor of 3, and a factor of t squared. In other words, a 6t squared. So let's just make a note of that. Now, let's build these denominators up so that they both have that. Our first one is already in the correct form. It is 7 over 6t squared. But with our second fraction, we're going to have to build that denominator up. To turn 3t into 6t squared, we need to multiply it by 2t. If we multiply the denominator by something, we need to multiply that numerator by the same value, thereby multiplying by a factor of 1. Now, both of our denominators are in this form 6t squared. So I'm going to put 1 fraction bar. Let's clean up the numerators. We have 7 minus the product of 1 and 2t is just 2t. So we've performed our subtraction. That numerator isn't going to factor, so this is in lowest terms. So our answer should be written as 7 minus 2t over 6t squared.